In this video, we will guide you through how to fix lag in Roblox and boost your FPS and make your Roblox run more smoothly on your device. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's start by closing the programs that are running in the background and using your computer resources. So I'm just gonna go ahead and minimize my Roblox. After that, at the bottom right corner, you should see a little arrow. Just go ahead and click on that and it should show you the list of application running in the background. Some of this program may be using CPU, RAM or other resources even though you are not actively using them. Just go through the list and close any program that you don't need while playing Roblox. You can just go ahead and right click on them and choose to exit just like that. Be careful not to close anything that you don't recognize as it could be an important window process. Now we are going to change your window power setting. Just go ahead and press the window and X key on your keyboard, and then here just go ahead and select the option for power option, and now your settings should open. Now just go ahead and click on the drop down and make sure it is set to best performance just like that. After that, you can just go ahead and close this. This can allow your computer to prioritize performance instead of trying to save power. However, if you are using a laptop, keep in mind that high performance mode can use more battery and may also make the system run warmer. For the best performance, keep your laptop connected to power while gaming. Now, let's make sure Roblox is using your high performance graphics settings. On the Windows search bar, just go ahead and search for game mode plan and then just go ahead and open the game mode settings from here. And now I'll just go ahead and make it large, and now go to the graphics just like that, and then in the search bar just go ahead and search for Roblox. If you cannot see Roblox listed here, you can add it manually. For that, go to your Windows search bar and search for Roblox player, and then just go ahead and choose to open file location. After that, just go to the address bar and press once and press Ctrl C to copy just like that. And now just click on add desktop app. After that, go to the address bar and then delete everything and press Ctrl V to paste and then press enter. Now you should see a Roblox player. Just go ahead and click on it and choose to add. And now Roblox should be successfully added. Now just go ahead and click on the drop down and click on the drop down for GPU preference. And here, make sure you select your GPU, which in my case is NVIDIA. If your PC has dedicated graphics, this allows Windows to prioritize the GPU while running Roblox. This can be especially useful if your computer has both integrated graphics and a dedicated graphics card. Now we are going to clean some memory files that have built on your computer. You should also restart your PC. Make sure Windows and your graphics driver are up to date. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.